Welcome to Nutric Food Show 5th Ramadan Diet Plan. Subscribe our YouTube channel for more video updates. Avoid carbonated drinks during Ramadan. Add dairy products with every meal in Ramadan. Wake up for Sehri on time. Use following meal items for Sehri: 1 bowl oatmeal with frozen fruits apple, banana, peach, berries, 2 sandwiches made with chicken spread and boiled egg with tomato sauce.
وبصوم غد نويت من شهر رمضان. الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Consume following meal items for Iftar: 2 dates, 2 bananas, 3 slices baked brinjal with tomato sauce.
اللهم إني لك صمت وبك آمنت وعليك توكلت وعلى رزقك أفطرت. الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Meal items for dinner: 1 cucumber, half plate mixed vegetable salad, 1 chapati, 1 cup tea. Exercise for 5th day:
2 minutes side leg raises.
20 minutes fast walk. Don't forget to like, share, comment this video and subscribe our channel.